Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power down the PC, unplug the power supply, and switch the PSU to the off position. You want to remove the side panel and ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching metal. Once done, unfasten the existing GPU bracket screws and gently unlatch the PCIe slot clip. This clears the slot. Make sure to check clearance for a dual slot card, and confirm your case will accept the card length. Before proceeding to remove the old card, you align the GPU with the PCIe X16 slot, lining up the bracket with the case opening. Gently press straight down until you feel the card seat and the slot latch clicks. Do not rock it. Once seated, fasten the bracket screws to secure the card and prevent strain. Next, connect the 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the PSU to the GPU, ensuring clips click in place. This supplies stable power and avoids undervoltage under load. You close the case, reconnect the monitor to the GPU output, then plug in and switch on the PSU. Boot into your OS and immediately install the latest manufacturer drivers, then reboot to finalize setup. If you see no display, power down and reseat the GPU and its power cables, confirm the monitor is on the correct input, and check BIOS settings for primary GPU. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to the motherboard video output to isolate whether the GPU or power connection is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.